Hey guys, it's Dari here and welcome to my new video, and today we're gonna build a static fashion figure from scratch. So it will be just simple figure that the girl standing with her hands down, so just a very basic one. You may already see a couple of videos like that, and the mainly system of it is just to draw a straight line, a vertical line, and then break it into the 10 or 11 pieces, which is like the first one will be the head, and then the rest of them equal ones will be like kind of the rest of the body parts. But I really don't quite like that system. I just try to explain why. Because when you learning at that system, then you kind of starting to rely on it a lot. So I think the best way is just try to start sketching fashion figure without this little, like, lines equal little bits, just to feel the scale and just to feel the proportion. Maybe from the first time you will not like what you get, but when you get the right proportion, you feel when you get the right ones, and then your brain kind of remembers it. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think and how you get on with it. And also in the end, I prepared for you a little bonus, is how to increase the size of your model, because designers are creating clothes, and not only for this extra small size, and also when you're doing fashion illustration, the girls are like incredibly thin. Obviously the sketches are incredibly thin, which is sometimes it has to be variable. So yeah, how to increase the size on a fashion sketch I think is very important as well, especially like for designers and for illustrators as well. So let me know what you think, and happy sketching.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh. you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me